Welcome to Review Rumble. The best fly fishing nippers is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any angler's arsenal, a small but mighty implement that can make or break your fishing experience by ensuring clean, precise line cuts every single time, allowing you to quickly change flies and stay in the zone without fumbling or frustration, ultimately contributing to a more successful and enjoyable day on the water. Number 5. Fishing Line Nipper Cutter Clipper. Introducing our high-quality stainless steel fishing tool. It's sharp, resists corrosion, and is built to last. This tool is designed to be compact and convenient. Its pocket-sized design makes it easy to carry and use wherever you go. It's more than just a cutter, it also features a hook eye cleaner and a knot tool. This multifunctional nipper is perfect for various fishing tasks. Easily scissor braid and unhitch fishing lines with its sharp blades. It efficiently removes fishing line cutters, saving you hassle. This tool is both affordable and durable. You can keep one in your fishing box without breaking the bank. Stop wasting time searching for your line nipper. This essential tool ensures you always have one readily available for your fishing adventures. What we like. This tool is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion. It also features a handy hook eye cleaner and knot tying tool. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet reliable option that covers the essential nipper functions, this is a great choice for your tackle box. What people say. The line cutter is sharp and cuts cleanly. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. It includes a small lanyard hole for easy attachment to a vest or reel. Number 4. Classic Nippers. Introducing the Classic Nippers, designed for precision and ease of use. Experience a comfortable and secure grip with every use. The innovative grippy handle ensures maximum tackiness, providing you with superior control. Say goodbye to slips and hello to effortless trimming. Crafted with durable stainless steel blades, these nippers are built for longevity. Enjoy sharp, clean cuts time after time. Each pair comes with a handy eye cleaning needle. Keep your nippers in pristine condition for optimal performance. Upgrade your grooming tools with the Classic Nippers. They offer the perfect blend of durability, comfort, and precision. What we like. Featuring a grippy handle for enhanced tackiness and durable stainless steel blades, this option ensures a secure hold and clean cuts. It also includes a convenient eye cleaning needle. If you prioritize a comfortable and secure grip, especially in wet conditions, this classic design is a solid performer. What people say. The line cutter is sharp and cuts cleanly. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. It includes a small lanyard hole for easy attachment to a vest or reel. Number 3. Mini Stainless Steel Fishing Line Cutter. Introducing a revolutionary tool designed with clever mechanics for effortless cutting. Its smart design makes tackling fishing lines easier than ever before. Crafted from a sturdy stainless steel structure, this cutter is built to withstand tough conditions. You can rely on its durability, as it won't bend or break. Experience ultimate portability with its mini and light design. Measuring just 5.5 by 2 by 2 centimeters and weighing only 60 g, it's incredibly easy to carry around. This tool is convenient and easy to use, perfect for cutting various fishing lines. It performs exceptionally well in both freshwater and harsh saltwater environments. Suitable for a variety of scenarios, it makes an ideal gift for any angler. You can also keep this essential accessory for your own fishing adventures. What we like. This mini cutter boasts a smart, mechanically advantageous design for effortless cutting and is constructed from sturdy stainless steel. Its compact and lightweight nature makes it incredibly portable. If you need a compact, easy-to-use tool that's built to last and performs well in both freshwater and saltwater, this is an excellent companion for any angler. What people say. The line cutter is sharp and cuts cleanly. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. It's a versatile tool with a built-in hook sharpener. Number 2. BASSDASH Fly Fishing Assorted Flies Kit. Get ready to elevate your fishing game with this premium collection. It's designed to bring excitement to every cast. This comprehensive kit features 64 meticulously crafted flies. You'll find a variety of types, including dries, nymphs, streamers, and leeches, in assorted sizes and colors. Explore a wide range of fly patterns to suit any condition. Please check the images for a detailed look at each fly. Your new flies come organized in a high-quality fly box. Its secure magnetic closure ensures quick and easy access. These versatile flies are your perfect companions for catching bass, panfish, trout, and steelhead. They are sure to attract the attention of your target fish. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes 64 assorted flies, covering a wide range of patterns like dries, nymphs, and streamers, all housed in a quality magnetic fly box. The flies are designed to attract various species, from trout to bass. If you're looking to expand your fly selection or need a versatile kit for different fishing conditions and target species, this pack offers great value and variety. What people say. The line cutter is sharp and cuts cleanly. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. It has a built-in file for sharpening hooks. Number 1. SAMSFX Multifunctional Fishing Knot Tying Tool. Introducing the SAMSFX Fishing Knot Tying Tool, your essential partner for a successful fishing trip. This versatile tool is designed to simplify your angling experience. Quickly tie perfect knots for hooks, lures, and flies with ease. Its multifunctional design ensures you spend less time preparing and more time fishing. Crafted from quality 420 stainless steel, it's durable, corrosion-resistant, and built to last. The non-slip handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, even with wet hands or gloves. Whether you're fishing in saltwater or freshwater, from a kayak or on ice, this tool is suitable for all environments. It's a reliable addition to any tackle box. It comes with a retractable tether, easily attaching to your vest or bag. This keeps your essential tool secure and accessible whenever you need it. This isn't just a knot tying tool, it also features a line cutter, hook sharpener, and hook eye cleaner. It truly is a 4-in-1 solution for anglers. What we like. This multifunctional tool is a 4-in-1 combo, including a line cutter, hook sharpener, and knot tying aid, all with a comfortable non-slip handle. It also comes with a retractable tether for easy attachment to your gear. If you appreciate having multiple essential tools in one convenient package and value a secure, comfortable grip, this is an ideal choice for streamlining your fishing setup. What people say. The line cutter is sharp and cuts cleanly. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. It has a built-in file for sharpening hooks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.